You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to today's episode. If you're an American family dreaming of relocating from the U.S. to Mexico, then you're in the right place. Mexico is a top destination with its rich culture, affordable cost of living, and thriving real estate scene. But moving to Mexico can come with challenges. That's where SDC International Shipping comes in. We're going to be talking about how SDC can make your relocation to Mexico stress-free and smooth, whether you're moving your household, car, or even your pets. Let's dive into the essentials of relocating from San Francisco or Los Angeles to Mexico. First, let's talk paperwork. One of the trickiest parts of an international move is making sure you've got all the necessary documents in order. Moving to Mexico requires complying with specific residency and custom documentation. Although this process can be daunting, our team at SDC is here to guide you through each step. From obtaining your resident permit to completing the paperwork needed for smooth custom clearance, we've got you covered. Our experienced staff has handled countless relocations and know exactly what it takes to get your legal documentation squared away so you can focus on settling into your new life. Now, let's talk about the physical move. Your household items are precious, and at SDC International Shipping, we understand how important it is that your belongings arrive safely and in pristine condition. Our professional movers and packers are skilled in packing even the most delicate items, from valuable furniture to fragile artwork. With SDC, you can rest easy knowing your belongings will be expertly packed and transported with the utmost care. Whether it's custom crating for fragile items or packing an entire household, our team ensures everything arrives safely at your new home in Mexico. We also offer secure storage solutions if you need to store some items during the move. If you're planning to bring your car with you, SDC offers reliable vehicle transportation options to Mexico. While we do advise against the roll-on, roll-off for safety reasons, our containing shipping service allows you to ship both your car and household items together for a more efficient move. Our car shipping experts are ready to assist you with all the custom paperwork, making the process as smooth as possible. Whether you're shipping a car, a motorcycle, or even handling specific requests like piano transport, SDC provides cost-effective, secure, and timely solutions. And don't forget, at SDC International Shipping, we're not just about moving boxes. We help you move everything that makes a house a home. From cherished pets to valuable artwork, we handle it all. We ensure your pets are transported safely, following all necessary regulations. As for your artwork and other delicate items, our team specializes in custom packing and crating, making sure they arrive in perfect condition. So if you're ready to make that move from San Francisco to Mexico, let SDC International Shipping be your trusted partner. With our experienced expertise and dedication to a stress-free relocation, we'll help you make your new life in Mexico a reality. For more information, visit our website where you can get a free quote, explore our services, and connect with one of our relocation experts. We'll make your international move to Mexico as smooth as possible. Tune in for the rest of this week where we're going to be talking more about moving to Mexico, and you will hear everything you need to know.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.